go ahead with talking.
Okay, test 1, 2, 3. Hello. Hi everyone. Thank you for tuning in. Don't I look gorgeous? I think so. I'm going to show you how to make lemonade. Hello everyone, my name is Felicia, your beauty, fashion, and lifestyle expert here on YouTube. And if you're watching this video, you came here because you saw my deck container garden tour and you want to know how to make that refresher drink that I was sipping on. Y'all, it's so simple, it's easy. If you want to find out how to make it, keep watching. You'll thank me later. First things first, I pop up freaks all the honeys. No, seriously, first things first is you need, this is a single serving. Okay, so this is just when you keep a lot of lemons and limes on hand and that Georgia sun is scorching and hot and you need something to freshen you up. This is what I do. So 1 lemon, 1 lime. Okay, first you're gonna start off with your lemon and you are going to squeeze the lemon. Okay, so that's half of my lemon. I'm gonna do another half. Girl, hard. All right, so then here's half of our lime. Ooh, this is a workout. All right, and then there's the other half. So you've got that done. Perfect. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take some simple syrup. You can use sugar, it's just easier this way. You don't have to worry about dissolving the sugar. It's already syrup for you. I put about 2 squirts of that. You don't want it real sweet, okay? Trying to watch our girlish figures. Then I take 2 pumps of the Torani peach syrup. Let's do 3 for good measure. Okay, girl. Then you're gonna top it off with some sparkling mineral water. And if you see that it looks a little light, go ahead and add another pump. Another 1.5 pumps. Then we're gonna stir. Add your ice. And of course, honey, you cannot have a fabulous summer drink without a garnish, little lime slice. How cute is that? Oh, I can't wait. And I've forgotten my straw. And guys, this is what a lifestyle is all about. I took a sprig of mint from my garden and I'm gonna put it in there for garnish and flavor. Oh my God, that is so good. It's not too sweet. And if you really want to be fancy, you can, you know, puree some peaches and put it in there. Oh, that would be amazing. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I'm sure you all will try this recipe. Let me know how it tastes. It's amazing. You can get the Torani syrups from World Market. They sell the pumps as well. Okay, girl. See ya. Bye. Thanks for watching, guys. Hey.